So what I did today is I removed corn, sweet corn. It was in this first row right here. I removed them from there and I put them in pots because they got too big for the tray. Also, some of the bean got too tall for the tray, so I removed those too. And I had some leek that I use for dinner. I cut the bottoms, and as you can see, they're rooting there. Actually, I could show you. So I put them in water for a few days. Once I have the roots like this, I put them in the soil just like this, and we'll see if it's gonna grow and sprout. And then once they get too big for this tray, I'll plant them too. So I'm going through the trays now. We got some tomatoes here and more tomatoes. This whole section is tomatoes. I got more leeks from seed growing. I got some green sprouts coming up. Yeah, let me take this cover off to show you. They are too small, but here they are. So we got leeks, tomatoes, we got miscellaneous stuff, okra, bok choy, Swiss chard, mint. Well, hold on, mint. I barely have anything on mint. There's only one tiny sprout on mint. This section here is mint. And at the end is cucumber. We got some things next aisle. We got one on basil. This thing right here, I think it's basil. I labeled it like that, but there is no other slot. All the slots are empty. Onion, we have one. I can see just one tiny bit showing. Radish, we got some. And then over here is, what is this? This is collard green. As you can see, we got some things growing. Well, that's the status. Bye.